Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing what matters: backup config files, databases, and logs so you can restore if needed. Once done, enable verbose logging to capture error codes and timestamps. This tells you where to look. Next, start Scarlet in safe mode or disable plugins to isolate third-party causes. Do this now. It stops further corruption and narrows the fault. If the app starts, note which features fail. That tells you whether the issue is core, extension, or data-related. You now run targeted diagnostics to fix the root cause. First, compare current configuration against a template or backup so you can reverse recent changes. Then reinstall or update dependencies, runtimes, libraries, and drivers because mismatched versions often break functionality. Next, run data integrity checks and reindex or repair corrupted records. This resolves many runtime failures. While tools run, monitor logs for repeating errors and make incremental changes so you can identify which action. You finish by validating the system end-to-end. Test login, core workflows, import/export, and performance under load. If data checks flagged unrecoverable corruption, restore the affected sets from backup and then reapply safe updates one at a time. Once stable, document the fix and lock down the change that caused the issue. If problems persist, collect full logs, environment specs, and reproduction steps, then escalate to support. Key tip: if errors recur, reproduce on a clone before changing production.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.